So we're hearing a lot about CBD and its medicinal uses. We're hearing a lot about marijuana becoming legal in many states. There are a number of companies that are introducing CBD into your sleep in many different ways. I'm at Malouf. They're going to talk with us about Cbd Infused Pillows. So talk with me about what was the thought process in terms of using CBD in pillows.
Well, I think you hit the nail on the head that people are really interested in how to work CBD into their sleep routine. So we decided to do a CBD infused pillow because we're already experts about, sleep. We've got proprietary foams, we've got trademark technologies. How can we combine this with CBD? So what we've done is we've done a multi-stage infusion. We have CBD oil infused in the pillow, and it's an isolate CBD, so it means there's no THC at all. It's just pure CBD. And then we have a spritzer, and that is all organically grown CBD oil from our farm in Denver, Colorado. And you can spray that on the pillow and rest your head, so you get a really whole body approach to better sleep.
So show us some of the different pillows you have.
So we have 3 types. We've got the zoned dough, the zoned dough shoulder cutout, and the active dough. So the zoned dough was one of our first pillows. This is it. You can see the pillow, and it's 100% unbleached, undyed cotton cover. This is the same foam. It's got the zoning technology, so it's got the larger holes in the center and the smaller holes around the edge, so it really cradles your head and neck. And this shoulder cutout is designed specifically for side sleepers. And then we have the active dough, which is our proprietary foam formula, so it's a little bit more responsive. So you see when you push this, it bounces back really quickly. It's got that same patented zoning technology. So every time your head goes down on this pillow, it's going to release some of the CBD oil from the pillow and pair with the CBD oil that's in the spritzer. So you're really going to get all those benefits.
So what we're doing is bringing you first news about CBD and how it can be brought to you in your sleep with Malouf in their pillows. There are companies that are bringing CBD to mattresses also at the market, so you're going to be seeing a lot more about CBD and your sleep.